Vivo Biotech Animal Facility, located at Pregnapur, about 50 miles north of Hyderabad, is a full-service contract research organization offering drug development and discovery services to pharmaceutical and biotech companies worldwide in accordance with OECD, GLP, ALAP. All animals are observed for clinical signs and abnormal behavior by the trained staff or veterinarian on a daily basis. The animals are subjected to parasitological examination and PCR-based pathogen screening for viral and bacterial infections. On ensuring the health of the animals by the quarantine procedure, the animals are shifted to animal holding areas for specific activities like experimentation or breeding. The facility design includes supply and the return corridor system, enabling independent movement of clean and soiled materials without contamination. Particulate count is performed by using light scattering method at regular intervals. The pressure gradient is maintained between two adjacent functional areas. 3-level pressure gradients are maintained to feed and bedding stores. Autoclavable and irradiated feed is procured and stored in dedicated and environment-controlled feed store. The feed is tested for nutritional content and contaminants, including pesticides. These tests are carried out in addition to the test reports provided by the vendors. Corn cob bedding material is sourced and is autoclaved before use. Bedding material is tested for microbial content. Pesticide residue ventilated cages. The IVCs get input air through a HEPA filtered system and is run by the air handling unit of the IVC. The exhaust air in the IVC is connected to the exhaust duct system of the room. The use of IVCs contributes achieving class 10,000 area, highest barrier function, social interaction, psychologic and behavioral needs of the animals. Enables easy access to food and water. The facility has an active sentinel program and a routine health monitoring program for breeding and stocking animals. The program is designed to maintain sentinel animals in each room, housing mice and rats. The program follows a 21-day schedule for testing. For the customers located beyond this distance, the animals are transported by air. The location of the vehicle is observed through a real-time GPS locator, and alert by SMS is sent to the facility management. Engineering and transport in charge, sophisticated pharmacokinetic and ADME studies. The research portfolio currently includes rodents like rats, mice, guinea pigs, and rabbits. Full examination of all the major organs. For this purpose, the laboratory is equipped with automated tissue processor, tissue embedder, auto-analyzer.
Vivo Biotech has been built and working on strong quality, safety, regulatory and ethical principles with the vision to provide affordable therapies and offer services in the biological, agricultural and pharmaceutical sectors. Biopharmaceutical development and contract research services are executed by well-qualified and well-trained individuals and teams with a sense of responsibility, commitment and urgency. The spacious laboratory scope of expansion to an additional 20,000 square feet area in the future. There are clear guidelines and standard operating procedures laid down for each and every process, areas and equipment. The laboratory's equipment and personnel are qualified and validated in order to execute the entire. Care is taken at every level to avoid contamination and mix-up by taking necessary precautions and measures. The activities concerned with contract services and biologics development range from seed health testing, large-scale nucleic acid isolation, PCR-based animal and plant pathogen screening, primer and probe designing for PCR and qPCR applications, molecular diagnostics, molecular cloning, cell line development, cell banking, in vitro bioassays, to large-scale clarification, refolding, chromatography matrix scouting studies,